Hi guys, so today we are going to do the house robber problem of LeetCode. So as you can see, you are a professional robber. You are planning to rob a house along a street. Each house has a certain amount of money stashed. The only constant stopping you from robbing each of them is that adjacent house have a security system connected, and it will directly contact the police if two adjacent houses were broken into the same night. Okay, into the same night it's saying. Okay, remember this. Given an integer number, represent the amount of money of each house. Return the maximum amount of money you can rob tonight without alerting the police. Okay, so you have to remember this statement as it is highlighted. It will be automatically contact the police if two adjacent houses were broken into a same night. Okay, so we have to avoid that. Other than that, we can do everything we want. So as you can see the example, one at house 1 you can make 1, like as you can see this array, rob house 1, make money 1, and then rob house 2. Why not to rob house 3? Why not 2? Because if we do one house after another, okay, consecutively, so it will alert the police and then we can't rob the house. Okay, so that's why we will rob 3, and after robbing we make total amount of 4. Okay, same goes with this. We rob first 2, we rob from house 1 2 money, we rob from house 3, make 9, and we rob from house 5, we make 1. Total we make 12. Okay, simultaneously. Okay, I mean first 2, not 7, 9, not 3, 1. Okay, we make total 12. Okay, so how we will implement in code? Let's see it. Int n is equal to nums dot size. Okay, int if n is equal to 1. If there is only one house, then we can just simply return. We can just simply rob one house and return nums at index 0. Okay, if there is more than one house, for that we will write something like int dp with n number of what I can say elements, then dp at index 0 will be what? 0. Sorry, dp at index 0 will be nums dot 0. Okay, dp at index n minus 1. No, it will be something like 1. Okay, it will be max. We'll take the max element from nums 0 and nums 1. Okay, something like that. Then for loop, int I start from 2. We have already initialized index 0 and to 1 value, so it will start with 2. I is less than n, and I will increment by 1. Okay, then there will be a dp. We are using dynamic programming approach, that's why I'm writing dp. I at index 2, it will be max dp I minus 1. Okay, then dp I minus 2 plus nums at ith index. So return dp dot dp n minus I. Okay, n minus 1, sorry. Let's run the code. It taking some time. Side by side, I must also explain you logic behind this code. Let's say, okay, so the code working beats 61% of the test programmers which have solved this problem. It could be much better, but yeah, for now it's okay. So what we are doing over here, let's take an array. As you can see, 1 2 3 1. Okay, let's take array 1 2 3 1. 1 2 3 1. Okay, in this array we have already initialized dp at zeroth index is what, 1. dp at index 1 is what, 2. Okay, the max value. Now we will initialize dp at index 2. It will be something like max dp I minus 1, I is 2, I is 2. Okay, 2 minus 1 will be what, 1. Okay, so it will be dp at 1 is what, 2. Then after that dp I minus 2, I minus 2 is what, 2 minus 2 is 0. So dp at index 0 is what, 1. Okay, plus nums at index 2 is what, 3. It will be what, 3. So it will be what, 4. Okay, dp at index 2 is 4. Then same dp at index 3 max dpi, this time dpi is what, 3. 3 minus 1 is what, 2. dp at index 2 value is what, 4. Then dp at index I is the dp at index 1 y1, 3 minus 2 is what, 1. 1 minus dp at index what I can say, it will be 2. Okay, plus nums at index 3 is what, 1. So max is 4. Okay, so we will return the max value dp n minus 1, n is what, 4. 4 minus 1 is what, 3. 3 is what, dp at 3 is what, 4. So the answer is 4. That's how the code is working. So yeah guys, thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, write down in the comment section. There are much better way we can solve this, but we are trying to solve right now most of the problems using dp. Let's see. If you want other optimized solution, write down in the comment section. I will show you the code and help you to solve this problem. Okay, thank you.